We guide you through how to recover deleted photos in Google Photos so you can restore your pictures on both iPhone and Android devices. First thing you need to do is open the Google Photos app and make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account where the photos were backed up. Next, tap the Library tab at the bottom, then open the Trash or Bin folder where deleted photos are kept for up to 30 days. Scroll through the list and tap and hold the photos or videos you want to recover, then tap Restore. The files will return to your main photo library and original albums automatically. If you don't see the photos in the trash, check whether backup was enabled because once the 30 days period ends, deleted photos are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Acting quickly is the key to successfully restoring deleted photos from Google Photos.